Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to mute the startup sound or the chimes on your Xbox Series X and show you some other audio settings. To do this, let's go to settings right here. Scroll on down to accessibilities and then go to the right and go to where it says audio. Then under here we have things like mono output. Then we have these turn off console sounds effects. So if you go to mute navigation sounds, you won't hear the clicks when you're moving around. And then we have mute notification sounds right here. But here's the setting that I want to go ahead and show you. This is power chime. These turn off settings that go with turning on and off the console. So you can turn this on only with power button or voice, or you can completely turn it off. Look like I have this turned off so you don't hear those beeps every time you turn on or off your Xbox. But then you can go to mute startup sounds too. Right here, just go and select this and it will turn off all the startup sounds and beeps. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.